Hey, let me show you 12 tips how to improve the battery life on the Redmi Note 13 Pro. First of all, let's start from the basic stuff. So, if you are not using Wi-Fi, just remember to turn it off. The same with the mobile data. If you are using the Wi-Fi, just be sure that you turn off the mobile data. The same with the Bluetooth and with the location. If you don't need to if you don't need to navigate right now, turn off location and do the same with the Bluetooth. Next, go into the settings, move into the display and enable dark mode. From this, just remember to control your brightness level. So if you don't need to hit the 100% of the brightness, just try to reduce a little bit. It will save the battery a lot. Next, try to adjust the refresh rate. If you are out of the battery, you can set it for the 60 Hz. Next, we should navigate into the sound and vibration. And if you don't need to use vibrations, you can just turn them off. For example, vibrations for calls or the haptic feedback, some gestures, touches, keyboard sound, and keyboard feedback. Next, remember to use the power saving mode. So if you are going outside and you are not going to use your phone, for example, you are during the class, you are in the school, during the lesson, so in the next 45 minutes you will probably don't use your phone, right? So in this time just turns on the battery saver mode or even the ultra battery saver mode. As you can see right here, we can even find the additional remaining time that we will actually get by using this battery saver mode. Now let's go back from this and we have to go into the apps, and just remember to remove apps that you are not using. So if you have a lot of different apps, they are actually sending you some notifications, they are actually working in the background. So if you don't need your all apps to be right here, go into the manage apps and now just uninstall apps that you don't really use on your smartphone. Next we have to move into the Google section, open it, then move into the devices and the sharing, select devices and be sure that you turn off this option, scan for the nearby devices. Next, we have to go into the location and we have to turn off this option, location services. So Wi-Fi scanning and the Bluetooth scanning. And thanks to these 12 tips, you will definitely find you will be able to definitely spend more time with your phone without need to grab the charger and recharge your smartphone. Also, what is important, there will be actually last tip, just remember to update your phone. So the latest version of the Android or your system will also improve the battery level. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.